Asta Funding's home base is in Englewood Cliffs, New Jersey. Asta Funding concentrates on purchasing, managing, and liquidating what it terms non-performing consumer debt. Asta Funding is a major purchaser of debts large and small, and they pride themselves on going after them all. Asta Funding collects for the likes of major financial institutions that issue credit cards, which means that many of the people they collect for are already deeply in debt. They are the experts at extracting the maximum amount of distressed assets of non-conforming loans. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act protects consumers against unfair debt collection tactics. You can sue Asta Funding for up to $1,000 in damages, plus attorney fees and court costs if they have violated your FDCPA rights. Under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, debt collectors are not permitted to call third parties other than to confirm your location, inform third parties about your alleged debt, call at times when the collector should know is inconvenient for you, call you before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. in your time zone, contact your place of employment while knowing your employer does not approve, continue to collect on a debt after you've sent a cease communication notice, use obscene, profane, or abusive language, use or threaten the use of violence, call you repeatedly with intent to annoy, abuse, or harass any person at the called number, threaten to take any action that cannot legally be taken or that they do not intend to take, falsely imply that you've committed a crime, falsely represent the character, amount, or legal status of any debt, lie to you about fees, interest, or charges, fail to send a written debt validation notice within 5 days of the initial contact, or continue to collect on a debt after you've sent a written request to verify the debt. If Asta Funding has alleged any of these violations, you need to take legal action by first attaining a fair debt attorney. Once you have attained a fair debt attorney, the debt collector cannot contact you by law. Our team of attorneys has tirelessly defended more than 8,000 clients against abusive debt collectors. We won't charge you a dime, even if your case doesn't win, so there is no risk for you. Contact us today for free legal help by calling 877-637-5918.